Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. I have missed you guys tremendously. Your girl was sick. I didn't let anyone know, I didn't post it, but you guys can kind of tell in my voice, so I'm sorry if I do sound different. I am feeling much better. I'm back. Guys, we have so much to talk about. So before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. I'm too excited, guys. LV has been dropping some heat. So you already know what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Before we dip into this LV tea, because it is steaming hot right now, I want to let you guys know Swag My Bag Accessories now offer organizers for the Speedy 20. We also have organizers coming in for the Nano Speedy as well, the Neverfull GM. So guys, we are growing. But this is so adorable, so cute. It has two side pockets here, and also a secured zipper pocket that does hold cards or cash, and a longer side pocket here with much room here in the middle. I am so excited that Swag My Bag is growing. So guys, this will be available on the website tonight to go and purchase. So if you do have the beautiful Speedy 20 from LV, don't forget to grab your organizer. Let's put this beauty in just so you can see how it looks. Guys, I am super excited about the growth of Swag My Bags. I have so many more creative ideas that I am going to add. And here it is. The perfect match. And the organizer is inside. So guys, keep those bags nice and clean. Go on the website. Purchase this organizer, guys, and let me know once you purchase, guys, so we can share the excitement together. I will leave all the information in the description box below. So that's out the way. Like I said, don't forget to purchase your organizers, guys, with Swag My Bag Accessories. But we have to talk about this steaming hot LV drops that are coming out. I am excited, guys. This was the excitement I used to feel years ago. I am so excited. I know I told you guys I was selling my Damier Azur pieces. And guys, is it Damier? Damier? I know I'm saying it wrong, but you guys know what I mean, right? Damier Azur pieces. Retract. I think the Damier Azur gauze was like, get her, because once I told you guys I was selling them, they started coming out with these pieces. Guys, do you see the attachment me and LV have? It's like a love-hate relationship, and I'm loving them now. I was just going to do a trifecta video, guys. I had everything set. I was prepping you guys in the stories. I was going to do a trifecta video. I have now put that on hold. You know why? Because of this beautiful piece here. This beautiful masterpiece with no vachetta is coming out. Guys, when I say my soul is happy, LV, thank you. Thank you. And I want to give a big shout out to Foxy LV on Instagram, guys. I am going to leave her handle in the description box. Most of you already know her. She does drop the LVT months in advance to prep us for everything that's coming out. So we gotta love on her and appreciate her, because what she's doing is very hard. It's like a full-time job. So big shout out to Foxy LV that is on Instagram for letting us know about this beautiful piece that's coming out, the Alma BB and Damier Azur. This shocked me. I never even imagined LV to come out with a Damier Azur Alma BB. And I think this is so perfect. But like I said, guys, I have, let me see. I think the Neverfull, I have the Neverfull in the trifecta. I have the Graceful PM. I have the Speedy. And now I am going to have the Alma BB. Guys, this doesn't have vachetta. Look at the creativity on the handle. I'm okay with it. I read a lot of comments that said that the handle they didn't like. But guys, this is better than vachetta. No, it's not an all-around carefree bag because we still have to worry about the color transfer, guys. As you can see, I'm holding this here. I am not putting this bag near my jeans. I know you guys say spray with Apple Guard. No, I don't do that because I always feel like I'm going to do something wrong, and I don't carry my bags that much. And as you guys see, this is brand new, never carried. It still has the plastic covering on the gold hardware. I love the LV favorite. This is never, ever leaving my collection. And now the Damier Azur pieces are not either. Look at the beautiful inside, that rose ballerine pink that we all love. Guys, this is going to be so perfect and so great. And you guys know why. Because I have her sisters. I have the monogram. And I also have the Damier bean, guys. And just adding the Damier Azur to my pieces. Guys, I will have another trifecta in my collection. So guys, let me know, are you big on the trifecta thing, having all the prints in a certain bag? Like I said, the Neverfull, the Graceful PM, the Speedy, oh my God, the Speedy 25. Let's be correct, I had the Speedy 25, and also now I am going to have the Alma BB and the Damier Azur in my collection. I am so happy with this. So LV, yes, big claps, big kudos. I'm not sure who put that out there in the LV air. I didn't, because like I said, I wasn't big on the Damier Azur pieces, only because of, you know, being afraid of the color transfer, so I really don't wear them. But this is going to be perfect because I carry my Alma BBs as a tote anyway. So this won't touch my jeans. And then, like, to me, it's like a spring bag, a spring summer bag. Me, I wear my bags whenever I want to. If it matches my outfit, I'm going to wear it. I don't care what season it is, but I know a lot of you guys are big on seasons and when to wear your bags. Me, I'm not. If it looks good with my outfit, it is coming out the house. So guys, let's give a clap for LV for this beautiful piece. Okay, so LV slammed us, guys, with another Damier Azur piece. Look here. This is so cute, but by looking at the picture, it seems like it's going to be small. But I do have a Noe BB in my collection, so let me just show you. So guys, I have the Noe BB. This is the one that I was trying to actually get rid of. Here it is. And on the website, it is $14.80, and of course, it's out of stock. So this is the Noe BB, as stated. The one that Foxy LV showed us is the Neo Noe BB, no vachetta. I'm just trying to figure out, since they're both BB, are they going to be the same size? Because this picture looks very, very small. I do not own a Neo Noe BB. I own Neo Noe, so I don't have the BB size. So if you do have a Neo Noe BB, if you could please let me know. Maybe I just go on the website and compare the measurements. But as stated, this is the Noe BB. If it comes in this size, I'm going to purchase. I want to purchase anyway because it doesn't have any vachetta. We don't have to worry about the color transfer and the vachetta. Guys, they are listening. Like I said, I'm so excited. So again, if you do have a Neo Noe BB, just let me know. Send me a DM. How much do you hold? Does it hold a lot? Like, I am so curious about this. I know I did a wish list for 2022, and of course, it has changed. It most definitely has changed for the good. So I am steady adding, and I am excited. There's no way I am going to miss the Alma BB. I'm still torn on this Neo Noe BB. Like I said, I have to see exactly how much fits inside because it seems like it can be a crossbody bag. And I do not want a Damier Azur right now as a crossbody bag. Okay, I haven't crossed that mark yet. So guys, like I said, I'm so excited. So excited for these Damier Azur pieces. Let me know how you feel in the comments, guys. Are you going after the Alma BB? I feel like it's going to be so hard to get. I feel like it's going to be so hard to get. She also, Foxy LV, like I said, she's been putting us on game, guys. We have to appreciate her. She also said that they are coming out, guys, with a Nano Noe. The Nano Noe, guys, with the detachable strap. I have the original that the strap is attached, and I love it. I love that the strap is attached. I did not cut the strap on this. The Nano Speedy I did, but the Nano Noe I did not because I had no issues with the strap. Hey, it's a vachetta strap, and to me, it fits perfect. It hangs perfect, and I'm okay with it. Let me show you. Okay, here is the Nano Noe, guys. And, of course, the strap is attached. She did state that they are coming out with one that has detachable straps, just like the Nano Speedy, okay? I have the Nano Speedy, and I believe a few of you guys went and pre-ordered as well. As you can see, I cut the strap on this. This, I love the strap attached. I have no issues with it at all. Very cute, and now it makes me want to bring it out. So I don't need a detachable strap on this, so I am going to pass on that. So for those that wasn't listening or did not tune in to Foxy LV, she said that LV is coming out with one that has detachable straps, guys. And if you missed out on this, make sure you're tuned in and get that order in, okay? So cute. Oh my God, so cute, guys. I used to carry this every day. So I'm gonna leave this on because it's just so cute. I love having it on. Okay, guys, if you ordered the Nano Speedy, you want the detachable strap that is coming out. If you look at this picture, guys, it looks like it's a little bit longer, but it's shorter. I guess in the length wise up, but the width is longer. I don't know. To me, it does look different. It looks quite different. Like I said, if you missed the first round, it's okay. Go ahead and get it. But I do think it looks different. The straps are detachable. I did not jump on it. Like I said, I only want to jump on it for my daughter. But she's just really not. I'm not trying to push anything on her. She's really not into it. Like, she loves the backpacks with LV. Like I said, she's only 14. She has time to grow into these things. And if she does, this most definitely is here for her. It's not an everyday bag. I don't use it every day. So it's hers already. So it was no need for me to purchase two. I wanted to. So it can be a mom and daughter thing. But by the time she wants to do it, it's going to be a mom and a grown woman thing. Because she is just, oh my God, spoiled. So her mind is somewhere else, and I'm not trying to push it on her. But if anyone get their hand on their Speedy, I hear a few of you guys complaining, saying it is taking so long to come. If you do get it, let me know, because I ain't getting looking at it. It seemed like the sizes are quite different. So I did create an organizer for the Nano Speedy. I'm just hoping that it fits these new Nano Speedies that's coming out. But once the organizers come in, I will show you guys. But this is a beauty. So if you do have the original piece, like I do have, the strap is gorgeous on, and no need for me to cut it. Okay, the last piece that I wanted to talk to you guys about was this beautiful Alma PM. Guys, this is a beautiful bag. It's beautiful and it is very creative. Let me get some information off of her page, guys, so we can discuss this. I do want this. It is a want. It's not a need. It's a want. The only reason I'm saying it's not a need, I don't think I would wear this every day. To me, it's like a classy, it is a bold look. It is classy. I would step out in a nice outfit. To me, it just look like it's laced. And they have an inner pouch that's for red. I'm pretty sure this is for Valentine's Day, but I don't know. Let me know how you feel about this piece. I think it is gorgeous. It is coming out in the Alma PM, and it is also coming out in the cans as well, guys, and a few other pieces. I'm not interested in other pieces. The Alma PM is what struck like a light bulb. I'm like, oh my God, this is beautiful. And so this comes out February the 18th. Okay, this beautiful Alma PM comes out February the 18th. It comes out after Valentine's Day. To me, it looks like a Valentine's Day bag, but hey, maybe it's meant for something else. Let's see. She already gave a product code number. It's M20355. I'm just trying to see, is this pouch, is it detachable? Is it stuck at the bottom of the bag? How is this pouch in there? Like I said, I need to know, but it is so beautiful. This is beautiful, but it's not an everyday bag. So if I do get it, hey, I know I'm going to love it. If I don't get it, I will be okay with it, but I do want it, okay? Do you get that? I do want it. So guys, these are the bags that have been, I've been going crazy on her page. I have been going crazy. I am enjoying. I'm even going back on her page now looking. I'm just happy about the Damier Azur Alma BB, guys. I am so happy about that piece because, like I said, I am going to have the complete trifecta experience with the Alma BB. Guys, let me know in the comments. I had to go back to this. Let me know in the comments if you do have both Alma BBs in the Damier bean and the monogram, and if you are going to add this beautiful piece as well. As you can see, no vachetta, not even the detachable strap. Okay, guys, we have to be excited. So let me know in the comments, guys. Hey, we have to talk. You know, we communicate over here. Let me know how you feel. And I might get my trifecta video up for you guys. I kind of want to wait. It just depends on how I feel. But guys, I am so happy to be back. I do have more videos lined up. I am just, like I said, I'm excited. I'm not sick anymore. I'm feeling good. Thank you guys so much for checking on me. The ones that would send me DM asking me where I was, what's going on with the videos. But I am back. Your girl is back and back in full effect. Okay? And I'm also going to start doing lives on Instagram. I did do a live on Friday, and it seemed like you guys enjoyed it. So if you are on Instagram, guys, and if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to, because we have fun over there, okay? We have fun just spilling real tea and just being ourselves, okay? Because we are still bossing up for 2022. That's what we do, okay? Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will leave the Swag My Bag organizers, the link in the description box as well. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Until next time. Mwah. Bye-bye.